the more you play, guess what? Your sight reading gets better. If you only play 3 exam pieces a year, how to be good in sight reading? You only seen 3 pieces. To be good in sight reading, you must keep reading. You must keep reading. Mark, if I only see you one time in 10 years, do you think I'll recognize you 10 years later?
No lah, change me.
It's the same with sight reading. You hardly read the notes. How to expect to be able to recognize your notes? So it's like you got to keep doing it. Yeah. Actually, to improve in sight reading, okay, the best way, okay, this one sometimes may not be quite feasible. If you can get a better person, a person who is better than you in sight reading to play duet with you. So you just turn the page, both of you. But the person you play with must be better than you, not worse than you, okay? So when the person you keep playing, continuing playing, your child will be like, oh, where am I? I'm lost. Never mind. Keep doing it. You skip notes, never mind. You keep counting. Where is the bar right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Now it's the 3rd bar. Skip. Even you stop there. Where am I? 5th bar now. Quickly. That's how you do. You will eventually improve. Another way is what? Which everybody can do. Okay? Play a lot of music. Play a lot of repertoire.